Hey guys, it's Nikki with E.C.D Automotive Design. Today we are going to take an in-depth look at our very first Porsche 911 built on a 993 chassis. So Project Revette is painted in a beautiful icy white gloss finish. It also features the turbo 993 front bumper and spoiler. It is also paired with our beautiful wide body kit that you see. So we have the 18-inch RS styled wheels that were also painted to match with the back seats, which I'll be showing you on the inside. And this wheel and tire setup is paired with the Brembo big brake package. Okay, so on Project Revette, you're also going to see that it has the Turbo S rear bumper and wing. It also features a dual sports OEM exhaust system. Okay, let's check out what's underneath the hood. Project Revette features a flat 6 engine that we sent out to be rebuilt by TurboCraft, and they did an amazing job. So now that we've checked out under the hood, let's check out the trunk. So inside the front trunk, you can see that our team did a wonderful job with lining the interior with a matching leather liner. It also is practical for keeping light luggage and using these different storage compartments to keep all of your goodies safely tucked away. I love the matching grommets that they added. It really pulls the interior design together. Now that we've had the chance to do the outside walk around on Project Revette, let's check out the interior. Now that we're on the inside of Project Revette, I'd love to show you more details on the interior. This car features a beautiful woven pattern leather interior. It's in Hyde's Vision Narrow Black. It also features the same grommets that you saw on the inside of the front trunk area, and it really just gives a beautiful sporty look to this car. So these Recaro Cross Sportster seats also feature a beautiful detail. As I mentioned on the wheels on the outside, they're painted to match on the backs of the seats as well as the inserts here to match with the outside wheels. You'll also notice that the rear seats match the same material and design and have that same beautiful accented gunmetal gray color. Inside features an OEM dash with white faced gauges and silver bezels that really help to pull the car's design together. The dash also features a touchscreen stereo with Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth for some modern-day music and sound system. Project Revette also features a 6-speed manual transmission with a billet aluminum shifter. So we also have some amazing auxiliary switches. These are billet aluminum switches that our team put together for the client, featuring things like central locking, your hazards, and power windows. Inside, you'll also see that the door cards are just as beautiful and highly detailed as the seats. We have the billet aluminum handles here. You have a beautiful little cubby that was retrimmed by our team. Really helps to pull together the entire car. So as you can see, E.C.D came all out with this build. We paid attention to every single detail and design to give the client exactly what he wanted. If you're interested in building your very own Porsche 993, reach out to me, Nikki, head of sales.